You doing tummy time? Are you good at tummy time? Yeah. Did you get good at it? Yeah, you are good at it. Yeah. With a big smile for tummy time. Good job, girl. Good job, baby girl. You get up higher. Keep one to your wrists. I've seen you do it before. You're a big girl. You're such a big girl. Yeah. You got so good at tummy time. When did you get so good at it? I remember when you couldn't lift your head off at all. Yeah. See, I'm good at tummy time. I'm really good at tummy time now. It's so easy for her. It's so easy. She's just hanging out on her tummy.
She's getting strong.
Yeah. He's so strong. Oh, yeah. Oh, she almost went up. She almost pushed herself up onto her hands. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. All the way up. All the way up. Oh, good girl. Good try. Yeah. Yeah. She's looking down like she wants to suck on her fingers. She was just sucking to hold herself up at the same time, and she can't do both. Come on, push up, push up. Are you doing good? Is that a yawn? You're doing good.
Oh,
hey, she rolled over.
You rolled over. Yeah.
That's the first ever roll over.
Yeah, we caught that on film.
Hey. I'm not sure that was a roll. Oh.
Oh. Did that scare you? Did that scare you?
Not sure that was a roll or a tip, but either way. And the sad face she made right afterwards. Oh.
I'm that upset. I'm filming. Cut. The scene's over.
Alright. She did good though.
I know.